When selecting affiliate products, the different types of affiliate programs there are, and then we're going to go through a couple of examples. So to start out, there are a couple of types of, or two major types of affiliate kind of programs out there. One is a one-time commission, like on most clickbank products. You refer somebody, you make a sale, you get a percentage of that sale. Sometimes up to 75 percent. And the recurring commissions are where you refer somebody to either some sort of a recurring billing program like an autoresponder, and sometimes those programs will have recurring commissions, which is really awesome because you refer somebody once, you do the hard work of getting them in there, and as long as they continue with that service, you get a monthly commission or percentage of their price that they're paying for that service. So, as you might have guessed, the recurring commission is my favorite, but not a whole lot of programs out there have recurring commission programs just because they're just a straight product or a download of some sort. But we'll look at some different types of programs out there in some following examples. So with affiliate products, also I recommending or suggesting products to your list or on your website, products and services that people need. Don't just, I know in the internet marketing niche there are a variety of different ways to make money, but those change over time, and not every one of those ways is for every person. So I like to focus on products and services that people are going to need regardless, such as autoresponder, web hosting, domain name. Those are things that are never going to change. Everybody needs one of those if they want to have a website or build a list. You have to have those things, so you can just why not promote those services? Sure, there's other products and little things that people put together, free reports and things that people put together. Sure, there are other things that people stumble upon and develop a system and put together, but some of those things are kind of fly by night. Some of them aren't long-term systems. So I like to focus on things that people are always going to need, services that people are always going to need and use online. And I would recommend to you to only promote products and services that you've either used yourself or believe in. Don't go and recommend products that it just says it has a high conversion rate and there's a lot of people making a lot of money. If you don't evaluate the products yourself before you send it out to your list, and they buy it because it does have a high conversion rate, and then they get in there and they figure out that it sucks and it doesn't work, well, that all comes back to you, and you might have a huge amount of people that unsubscribe to you and lose trust in you. So that kind of weighs negatively on you. So I would always recommend that you either try to reach out to the product owner and say, hey, can I get access so I can see what's inside the product, because I don't like to recommend products and services to my list that I haven't seen or experienced, because they trust me, and if I recommend crap, they're going to unsubscribe. So let's look at quickly a couple of examples of different programs that are out there. And what I do, just before I get into this, generally, it's finding a company's or services affiliate program is pretty simple. Usually it's somewhere on their initial page. You can just scroll around and there's either a button that'll say affiliates or partners, and usually it's you can just sign up for free there and they'll preview pretty quickly. But if you can't find a link for their program, just search the name of the programmer service followed by the word affiliate in Google, and that's how I generally find things that I can't find on their website. Sometimes it'll pop up. If it doesn't, then I will contact the support, use their contact information to reach out to them and say, hey, I really like your product or service. I would like to promote it. Do you have an affiliate program? And usually they'll respond pretty quickly and let you know if they do or not. So let's get into some examples here. So these are two examples of web hosting, Bluehost and HostGator. So why would you choose one over the other? Now you may just want to recommend them both because, as we learned previously, people are going to decide themselves on what they want to do. I may say HostGator is the best. I've used it. It's reliable, and they may go to Bluehost. You can never tell. So recommend them both. And then with Bluehost, it pays $65 per lead or sale there. And then HostGator, it pays up to $125. Up to $125 in the case that you refer 21 or more people in a month. But by itself, just one single sale, HostGator actually pays just $50. So if you don't, if you know that you're not going to be referring a lot of people, I would recommend, obviously HostGator would be the best option. But if your goal is to recommend more than 5, more than 10, more than 20 people in a month, obviously it's going to be in your best interest to recommend them to HostGator, because with just 21 referrals times that by 125, I think that comes out to like $2,600 or something. So that's less than one referral per day. So that's completely doable. So you're just going to have to decide between these two as which one you're going to either promote or just promote them both. So those are a lot of the programs out there and affiliate programs and a lot of the affiliate and referral programs out there. You're just going to have to kind of make a decision of what you choose to promote. Now, I'm saying that because of this example right here. These are two examples of some writing services websites out there. The one on the left is called No Doubt Marketing, and the one on the right is called 99-cent Articles. I've used No Doubt Marketing, which is great. They produce really great content. However, they don't have a referral program at the moment. Now, 99-cent Articles, I've heard great things about them. They're a little more pricey, but they have a very attractive recurring recurring affiliate program. So I can refer somebody to there, and as long as they continue to buy articles and things from 99-cent Articles, I get paid a commission off each one of their sales. So you may find yourself in a situation like this where you've got two options, and it's like, well, I've used No Doubt Marketing. I prefer them. They're cheaper. They're better, but I'm not going to get paid by referring people to them. And you've got 99-cent Articles. You do get paid. You're not so sure about the service. Maybe it's great, but it's a little more expensive. So you're just going to have to make that decision of, do I even mention No Doubt Marketing, even though I use it myself, or do I recommend 99-cent Articles because it gives them a commission if they sign up? So that's just something you're just going to have to decide for yourself there. And then GetResponse. This is an autoresponder that I use and recommend. They actually have a couple of different ways that they can pay you for your referral. So you've got $135 one-time price on the left, which sounds like a lot of money. You're like, oh, that's over $100 for referring somebody. But check out the right side, 33% recurring commission there, and 33% recurring. There's different plans with GetResponse if you haven't checked. So they may sign up at the basic level, which I think is like $15 a month. So 33% of $15 isn't a whole lot. But what if they start to build their list and it gets bigger? Well, the price of their monthly subscription goes up. So that 33% is a lot more than 33% of $15 now. So always when you have a opportunity to be an affiliate of a recurring affiliate program or referral program, choose that over the one-time sale, because it's kind of like network marketing or MLM. You work hard to get a lead once, and then once they're in, as long as they keep buying their product, you keep getting paid. So just some things to keep in mind when looking into and investigating some affiliate and referral programs out there. So hope that's been helpful. That's how I go about selecting my programs and stuff. And whenever I find a product or service out there I love and I want to promote, I always make sure that they have a referral program. And when they don't, I just have to make that decision. Do I want to share this with other people or not? Because and if they don't, I may make that recommendation to the company. I've done it several times actually, because it's like, this is a great product. You should highly consider getting creating a referral program, because I would like to promote this, but there's no incentive for me to do so. So if they don't have one set up, don't be scared to suggest it, because they may just create one since you recommended it, because it helps bring in more business for them. So hope this has been helpful. So go out there and find some products that you'd like to promote and sign up and become affiliate of them.